Hippos, the third largest land animal, which comes just after elephant and rhino. These magnificent mammals were once found throughout all sub-Saharan Africa. Today, they are largely confined to protected areas in East African countries. But hippos are not considered endangered, they have instead been given the vulnerable status, which means that their population is at a declining rate. It is estimated that around 115,000 and 130,000 common hippos remain in the wild. Male hippos measure around 3.5 meters tall, and 1.5 meters long, and can weigh as much as 3.5 tons. For comparison, that's as much weight as 3 small cars. Hippos are herbivores and mostly eat grass, and sometimes they also eat fruits. They can eat up to 35 kilograms of grass at a single time. But did you know, in a 2015 study published in a journal, scientists reported that hippos occasionally feed on the carcasses of animals, including other hippos. Hippos live to the age of around 40 years, and can live up to 50 years while in captivity. They usually live in groups of 10 to 30 members, led by a large dominant male. The herd consists of mostly females and a few young and non-breeding males. Dominant males are very protective over their group. To warn off rival males, they open their huge mouths and display their long curved canines. They also make loud grunts and aggressive splashes in the water as warning signs. Hippos are considered very dangerous. They have large teeth and tusks that they use for fighting off threats, including humans. Hippos are also very intolerant to someone getting in their space, and usually, retaliation is done in the form of attacks. Because of this, they are considered as one of the world's deadliest animals. Here's a cool fact: when in 1993, Pablo Escobar died, the Colombian government seized all of his assets, including all his collection of animals such as giraffes, elephants and other exotic animals, and were transferred to different zoos and aquariums. But there were 4 hippos, which for some reason were left behind to fend for themselves. Those 4 animals made their way into Colombia's waterways, where they multiplied. And because of their habit of eating huge amounts of vegetation and pooping a formidable quantity, they soon became an invasive species and also a threat to local wildlife. Their habit of trampling crops and charging at humans made the government to take actions against them. Now, an estimated 80 hippos inhabit the river networks near Medellin, Colombia. And as of 2021, the wildlife officials have begun sterilizing them. Such conflicts between hippos and humans is becoming more and more common, as in 2014, a hippo attacked a small unsuspecting boat filled with Nigerian school children, killing 12 students and 1 teacher on board. These encounters usually happens as when a hippo wanders into land to search for food and is bumped into humans. Hippo can spend up to 16 hours per day in water, and can hold their breath for 5 minutes at a time. Their eyes, nose and ears are located on the top of their head, which means they can see and breathe whilst submerged in the water. They also sweat an oily red liquid which helps protect their skin from drying out, and acts as a sunblock. So, if you ever encounter one chilling in a river, sunbathing with its natural sunscreen, it is recommended to just let it be by himself, and probably you will live to see another day. Hope you liked the video, and subscribe for more interesting wildlife videos. Tell us your favorite hippo facts in the comments down below, and as always, thanks for watching.